Action!
Hello, I am Akinola Akano and I'm playing the role of Kante on the set of Yawa.
My name is Samuel Olasehinde, and I'm right here on the set of Yawa. My name is Mofehintola. I'm an actor, and we're on the set of Yawa filming Yawa the movie. Well, I'm playing the role of Data, who is a very gullible and very soft, nice guy who stays with a very terrible human being called Adun.
Written and produced and directed by Seun Afolabi, storyteller. Well, there has not been any challenges so far, and it's been fun. And it's been fun.
Yawa is a very interesting story, very energetic story, comical actually, very funny. And one thing that strikes me about the story is that it's not for a lazy actor. It is, it's a story that in itself comes like a stage performance. That co-actor here, fellow actor, a person of Akinola Akano. Well, it has been nice. It's always a great experience too. Yawa is a story you've never seen before. It's a story that actually gives you a shade of enactment that is not out there. It's not popular, I tell you. It's like nothing you've seen before. So yo people, get set. Yawa is about to go down. Keep your fingers crossed. Let's see this shit.
Excuse me. Yeah, excuse me. Bro, you did that.